in today's video, we're going to be doing a quick install. I have an ambient light center console screen from my friends over at Handshow. The Tesla Model 3 and Y ambient light kit adds up to 64 adjustable RGB lights, creating a vibrant and dynamic atmosphere when you're riding and driving inside of your Tesla. And this is pretty cool that the lights can adjust to the surrounding sound, and also the light can change with the rhythm of the audio system, which will create a dynamic lighting effect inside of your cabin. And you can get 22% off at handshow.com when you use the special promo code JustFrugalMe at checkout. But not only this kit, any accessory for your Tesla or EV, so let's get right to the install. So the first thing that we're going to do is just pop it right on. I'm starting off with the charger, and now what I'm doing is taking my hand and just fitting it right along the edge. It just clamped right into place. Taking my hand here and just pushing it in to make sure that it's a firm and tight connection. And right here, I'm just doing a close-up, and you can see that it is no gaps, there is no buckling of the screen, and everything is fitting nice and tight. And from here, I'm just going to take the cord, and I'm just pushing this cord right up into the trim there. And that way the wire is not being seen. And I'm just running this right over to the center console right here. And the extra wire, I am just going to fold that and push that up as well onto it. But the kit comes with a cord holder as well with adhesive on the back in order to have some of the cord to stick behind the screen so it's out of sight. So you can see that that install was super easy. So let's go on and take a look at some of the functionalities of the screen, because this is really awesome. But the first thing that you're going to want to do is take the pamphlet here. And if you haven't already done so, there's a QR reader. I'm not sure if you can see it, but there's a QR reader right up here at the top, and you want to download the app. But also it comes with a remote control. So you can see already that between the cup holder, the center console, and the screen, it is really setting the atmosphere inside of my cabin here. And the cool thing is, with the app, you can change it to do certain things. So now it's just keeping the color, and you do have different settings. So I'm just going to go through some of the settings here. So that's one component of it, and there are so many different things that the app can do, and this video will be very long if I go through each and every setting. So all I will say is go over to the app and play along with it. But here's your fast phone charger. Your kit comes with some rings already like this. It has adhesive on one side, and you can just peel it off, and that way it will stick your phone right there. However, my phone case already has a magnet on the back here, so it literally just goes right there, and you can see that the phone is now charging. And remember, you can get 22% off of any accessory on the website when you use the special promo code JustFrugalMe at checkout. Be sure that you check out other videos right over there, all things related to accessories, your Tesla, and your money. And I will see you in the next video.